anytime you go through any form of like abuse or rejection, you definitely begin to start questioning your identity, your sense of value, even security. And when you don't have the revelation of Jesus and everything that he is, you begin to seek all those things like love, security, identity in all the wrong places. And that's what happened to me.
My soul magnifies the Lord. My spirit hath rejoiced in God my Savior. For he that is mighty hath done great things. Holy, holy is his name. My soul